Hey guys, welcome to Social Net. This is Upama Sherpa, and in today's video I'll show you how you can unblock someone on your Snapchat. Snapchat is a social media application that allows users to share pictures, video with friends and followers. On Snapchat, people post moments and share them with friends. You can share stories with everyone or on a personal chat with your friend. While using Snapchat, you can find some user annoying and you might not want them to keep in your friend list. You can block such friends or users very easily. When you block a friend, they will not be able to view your story or send you snaps or chat. However, they can see the content you have set to the public. Also, if your privacy setting allow, they can send you a snap or initiate a chat as well. But if you ever change your mind and you want to get back to the friends that you once blocked, then Snapchat allows you to unblock friends from your Snapchat user list. But then they will be able to send you snaps, chats, and even view your stories. It is very easy to unblock someone on Snapchat. So in order to do that, watch this video very carefully and follow these simple steps. First, go to your Snapchat application on your mobile device, then locate and tap on it to open. Once you are logged into your account, you can go to the top left corner and tap onto your profile icon. On the top right corner of your screen, you can see the settings icon, tap on it. Once you are on the settings page, scroll down and go to the account action section and tap onto the block option. Once you are on your settings page, scroll down and on the account action section you can see the blocked option, tap on it. On this page you can see the list of blocked users on Snapchat. Now in order to unblock the user, go to the cancel button right next to them and tap on it. A dialog box confirming your action will pop up, so tap on yes to unblock this person. Once you do that, now you have successfully unblocked the user from your Snapchat blocked user. Now the user will be able to send you chat, snaps, and also they can see your charms and stories. So that was it guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful. Subscribe to the channel and stay up to date for more videos like this. Bye bye.